morning, everyone. Now, there was only one plan in Arizona that received a 5-star rating from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services.
Robert Matura is here with us to talk about Cigna offerings and the new premium plan for Medicare beneficiaries in Tucson next year. Well, that's a hard word. Robert, thank you for joining us this morning. Now, we were talking about it yesterday on the show, but tomorrow is a really big day for seniors. It's the first day we can enroll in Medicare plans for 2016. There's actually something new for this year, isn't there?
That's right. So thank you for having us on the show this morning, and we're really excited to announce that Cigna is bringing Arizona's, as you mentioned, first and only 5-star Medicare Quality Health Plan, rated Medicare Advantage plan to Pima County. That starts for 2016, so starting tomorrow, October 15th, individuals with Medicare can choose one of Cigna's plans for 2016 coverage.
Well, now that sounds great, but we definitely want to make sure we're of understanding what it is. So kind of give me some key highlights to this plan. Absolutely.
We have a couple of different plans that we're offering, and all of our plans include the medical with the prescription drug coverage into one plan. And some of the benefit highlights include a $0 monthly plan premium, a $0 copayment to go see your primary care doctor, a $25 copayment to go see your specialist. If you go to urgent care, it's a $25 copayment. And we also have a $0 copayment for prescription drug coverages that are in Tier 1. You mentioned we have the premium plan. We do have a premium plan as well that includes enhanced benefits around vision, hearing, transportation, and other items.
Wow. Well, I can see why you're 5-star. Now, for people who don't know, where does that rating even come from, and what does it really mean for Cigna?
Sure. So every year, CMS, or Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, we call them CMS, rates all Medicare Advantage plans on a scale of 1 to 5 stars, with 5 stars being the highest quality. As I mentioned, we are the first and only Medicare Advantage plan in the state of Arizona to achieve that 5-star ranking. So prestigious that nationally, only 12 Medicare Advantage prescription drug plans achieved that 5-star ranking.
Well, what did Cigna exactly do to get this awesome 5-star rating? What is it that sets you apart?
It's really a team effort. It's between the health plan, the doctors who we work with, and our customers. The doctors who we work with are real committed to providing outstanding quality care and coverage for different conditions. We work with our doctors to provide that information so that if there is a gap in care, if someone needs additional services, we work with that doctor to identify that person and bring them in for treatment. Our customers are very committed to a healthy lifestyle. We work with them to help them achieve the best health outcome that they can achieve with their condition.
Absolutely. And Robert, one of the things you say is, you should be looking at those ratings. Seniors should really be paying attention to those ratings. Why do you say that? Why is that so important when you're enrolling for Medicare?
Sure. Well, CMS is, they rank all the Medicare Advantage plans, and they're really the nation's authority on excellence and quality for Medicare beneficiaries. So when they do the ranking, they look at things such as quality, access to care, customer service, breadth of network, and how you can use that network. So Medicare beneficiaries can go on and objectively, through the third party, look at the different Medicare Advantage options and make the choice that's best for them.
And we're talking about making that choice, and that's what tomorrow really kind of kicks off. They have this time to go over what plans are out there, what best fits them. So what do you say when we're ready to make that choice? What things should we be considering?
There's a number of items to consider, but the 3 most important that I would suggest would be, is the doctors that I go see, are they in the network? Are the hospitals in the network? For example, in Pima County with Cigna Medicare Advantage plans, we'll have over 300 primary care physicians, or around 300. We'll have over 750 specialists, and we contract with 6 hospitals just right here locally. So that's one item. Second item is really, how does the health plan work with their doctor around that model of care? Do they really help to focus the education and the care around that patient? And number 3, everyone takes prescription drugs. Look at if your prescription drug is covered with the health plan, and again, what are the co-payments around that? Remember, we have that $0 copayment for your Tier 1 prescriptions.
Absolutely. Well, there's definitely a lot of things that we need to be considering, a lot of things we need to look at. I mean, it can be very overwhelming. So much information. And what if we really want to take more time to read more literature or figure more out about it before we kind of take that step tomorrow? Where can we go for that information?
Absolutely. Well, your viewers can contact Cigna at the number on your screen. We have sales representatives that are standing by 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 7 days a week, and they can answer any question about our plan options. We also can be accessed via the internet at www.cignamedicare.com. We also are hosting several sales seminars throughout Pima County through December, so they can make a reservation, attend, learn more. And I always tell everyone, if they use a broker or agent, contact them. They can also tell you all about our Cigna Medicare options.
Yes, we've actually been talking about this leading up to open enrollment, about people coming in, getting the information.
Absolutely.
And people do get a little overwhelmed when they get everything in the mail and the date comes here. They're just kind of looking at everything. Really, like you said, those 3 key things to look at. How does it affect me? What are my needs?
Yes.
And how can one of these plans fit that? So.
Yep.
This is great information, as tomorrow is the day everyone's really going to be looking at it. So we can't thank you enough so much for coming. 5 stars, what a great honor. Thank you.
We're excited. Thank you very much for having us.
Cigna will offer a health and prescription drug plan in Pima County. Some of the key benefit highlights are on your screen right now, so take a look. To talk to a Cigna representative, call toll-free 855-878-6002, TTY 711, or you can visit cignamedicare.com.